Body mechanics uses alignment, balance, and correct posture when lifting, moving, or bending. Body positioning is used to prevent contractures, promote optimal joint movement, and to prevent injury due to improper movement or immobility. To complete this exercise, you will need a hospital bed, a wheelchair, pillows, towels, and blankets for positioning, 2 assistants or lab partners, and a mannequin. To move a client up in bed, position the head of the bed so that the client is laying as flat as possible. Then raise the bed to a comfortable working position. Place the pillow at the head of the bed. Then ask the client to flex their knees and cross their arms over their chest. With one nurse on each side of the bed, roll up the sides of the draw sheet as close as possible to the client. Then, on the count of 3, instruct the client to lift their head and push with their feet. At the same time, both nurses will lift the draw sheet and the client will be repositioned to the head of the bed. Finally, replace the pillow, covers, and adjust the bed so that the client is comfortable. To transfer a client from a bed to a wheelchair involves 2 steps. Begin by positioning the wheelchair and locking the wheels. Then ask the client to flex their legs and turn towards you. Stand with the wide base, then place one arm under the client's shoulder and the other under both thighs near the backs of the knees. Lift and pivot the client to a sitting position and make sure that they are stable. The next step will be to transfer the client from the bed to the wheelchair. Begin by instructing the client to place their arm on your shoulder. Reach around the client's back and lift them off the bed. Position the client to the edge of the wheelchair, then instruct them to grasp the chair's handrail. Slowly lower the client into the chair, then position the client's feet onto the footrests. To log roll a client, it is recommended that there are 3 nurses. Position nurse 1 and 2 on the sides of the bed that the client will be facing and nurse 3 on the other. Place a pillow between the client's legs to keep proper alignment. On the count of 3, the 2 nurses will support the alignment of the head and legs, while the 3rd nurse pulls the draw sheet to roll the client. Place the pillows behind the client's back and adjust the pillow between the client's legs. Finally, instruct the client to lean back on the pillow for support.